from Aldi. It's the 24 festive cheeses. Alright, let's start with day one. Where is day one? Right there. So day one is truffle cheddar cheese. You see that? Alright, let's open. Let's cut a slice off. There we go. Oh, that's good. Definitely taste the truffle in that. That's a good white cheddar. I love cheddar. That's a good one. Let's see. There's that one. Alright. Now for day two. Number two is the bruschetta. Let's see. Open that up. Cut a slice. Got little chunks in there. Oh, that was pretty good. It's got a little there's a tomato in there. Like almost like a little tomato sauce in there. That one's pretty good too. Okay, number three. Go. Number three. There. I gotta make you hunt for the numbers. EDAM. Is that Edam? I think so. Edam. Open. Okay. Alright, some Edam. I've never tried this one before. Oh, I like that one. That's a pretty good one. Not familiar with that one, so I might have to try that some more if I find any more. All these new cheeses I'm trying. Next is number 4. Let's go over here. There's number 4. 7. Nothing on this one. Where's number 4? 6, 9, 20. Good Lord. It was probably right in front of my face. There's 4, 5, 10. The 24 in the middle. Where's
Do you
number
need
4?
help, Preston?
I think so. I'm
Okay,
going.
let me see. 14. They do make these really hard to find. Before it disappeared. Oh, there it is. What was in the tree?
Oh, it's in the tree?
It was in the
Oh
tree.
my God.
Yeah.
Jeez. Goat cheese. I've had goat cheese before. I like goat cheese. It's good on a grilled cheese sandwich. And also good to mix in macaroni and cheese. Let's see how this one tastes. Oh, it's a pretty good goat cheese. It's a little bit lighter on the taste than what I'm used to on other goat cheeses. So that's all right if you like maybe try the introduction of goat cheese. I don't know what brand this is. Maybe it's just Aldi brand. That's a decent one. Okay. If you hear some noises in the background, Reno's playing some, what is he playing?
Playing Roblox.
He's playing Roblox, yeah. He's playing some Roblox in the background. Okay, now I'm looking for number 5. Ooh, some Gouda. I like the Gouda. Matured Gouda. So it's like an old person cheese. Is it matured? Okay. Oh, that's a good Gouda. Definitely good Gouda. Okay, now for number 6. That's a lot of cheese, and I love cheese. 9-6. Okay. There's another new one from me. Mimolette. Yes. Okay,
Having
Mimolette.
chip problems back here.
That's I think I'm pronouncing it right. Mimolette. That's a new one for me. Another new one. Let's see.
So orange.
It's very, very orange. Very orange. It's the orangest cheese I've ever had. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Kind of smooth. That was a good one. I'm gonna have to try more. Try to find more of that cheese. It's like a nice smooth cheese. Kind of like a mild cheddar. Anyway. Alright. So much going on in the background. Okay, number 7. Ooh, this is an interesting looking one. It is cheddar with caramelized onions. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be, this might give me some bad breath. There's onions going on, maybe some farts too. I don't know. It's like one of the bigger ones. Let's see here. Oh. You know what that would be good on? Like a hamburger melt. Like a cheeseburger melt. Like melt some of that on a cheeseburger. Oh, that would be good. Maybe a grilled cheese. Yeah, I still think that was a good one. I like that one. I'll have to find some of that for later. What was that one? Number 7? Number 8. Where is number 8? On the front. There we go. This is red Leicester. 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 I might say Leicester.
I think I've heard it called Red Leicester before,
Leicester?
but I don't know.
Leicester?
No.
Like the
I
Worcestershire sauce.
I think it is a British cheese, Preston.
The
So, yeah.
Worcestershire sauce. But it's a red Worcestershire cheese. But it's not red. It's like orange. And, let's see. Yeah, that reminds me of is like a really sharp cheddar cheese. Nothing really unique on that one. It's kind of, it crumbles. It crumbles pretty good. Like when you bite into it, it just crumbles in your mouth. But it kind of tastes like a cheddar cheese, like a sharp cheddar cheese. All right. Number 9. Number 9. Where are you, number 9? There you are. Ooh, Gouda with mustard seed. That one sounds interesting. Okay. Okay, get the Gouda. Not really tasting much of the mustard seed. I'm kind of disappointed in that one. No, just tastes like regular Gouda. Even though you see the mustard seed in there, I'm not really tasting it. So, oh well. Number 10. Number 10. Calling number 10. Okay. 6, 3, 9, 20, 15, 19, 11. Okay. There we are. It's another Gouda. It's a pesto Gouda. Hopefully I can taste the pesto in this, because I like the pesto. Oh, this feels like a softer Gouda. Oh yeah. Right off the bat, good pesto. I would say shred this up and put this on some pesto. On the pesto noodles. Oh, double pesto. And cheesy. Okay, that was 10. 11. I know I see you several times. There we go. Alright. This is, it's a cheddar, mature cheddar. Alright. What do you want, cat? Oh, meow. Alright, mature cheddar. Some good cheddar. I like that. I do eat me a lot of cheddar, so that's definitely a good one. Alright, number 12. Let's see. There you go. Ooh, cheddar with cracked pepper. Okay. Okay. And slice. That's a sharper cheddar. Not really getting much. Oh, well, there goes a little bit. Some of that pepper. Not really that strong on the pepper, but it's there. You notice it a little bit. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright. This is number 13. Lucky number 13. Let's see. On the front. There we go, on the front. Almost to the end. Another red Leicestershire. They did that twice. Well, I guess I could skip that one. Well, I guess they made a mistake because on the here. Let's see. I know that same would like the wine to try it with. Let's see.
There might be some duplicates.
It might be. Okay. Well, since I already know what that tastes like, I'll pass on that. Okay, number 14. Right. Also on the front, matured Gouda. So there's another duplicate. How dare they give me duplicates? Number 15. There might be more duplicates. Let's see. Ah, somebody else might like this one. This is the cheddar with whiskey. Whiskey. Let's see. I'm not much of a whiskey person myself, but let's see. Give a good slice here. can taste a little bit. It's like a light whiskey flavor.
Where's your string?
Well, not too bad. I think I can handle that one. There's not too much of a whiskey flavor to it, but you can still tell it's there. Alright. What number was that? That was 15, I think. Yeah, 15, next is 16. Let's see. Right here. Alright, let's see. Any more doubles? Gouda. I think we already did a Gouda, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah, I think we did a Gouda at the first. Let me look at my... Oh no, I think the first one was the
Oh, first was the mature Gouda.
oh,
I don't think.
the truffle. So here we go. Regular Gouda. Regular old Gouda. Not the matured one. Oh, it's soft like the Gouda. That'll be the mature one was a little bit harder. It wasn't as soft. Oh, it's a good soft Gouda. Definitely perfect for a grilled cheese sandwich right there. We would melt that is perfect. All right. Number 17 is next. Getting to the end. Okay. Cheddar with cracked pepper, another duplicate. Oh boy. Okay, next is number 18. Another Edam. That's another duplicate. Let's see, 19. Cheddar with whiskey, another one of them. Okay, 20. Are you on the front? And so that's open. 19. There we go. Alright. Goat cheese again. Alright. So another duplicate. 21. I just saw you. Right here. Let's see. Please be something new. No, mature cheddar. Another duplicate. 22. Marmalade. We already did that one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yes, we did. Okay, so many duplicates. My good Lord. 23. Some more of the caramelized onion and cheddar. I might have to put that on a grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, and then the last one is number 24. Better be something good. Please, no duplicates. Something good. No. Back to the first one, truffle cheddar. Alright, so that was it.
Which was your favorite cheese?
My favorite? Oh boy. I know the caramelized onion one was pretty good. I'm gonna say the caramelized onion because that would be good on some good grilled cheese, on a burger. Yeah. And honestly, I will say that the cheddar with the whiskey was not that bad, even though I'm not a whiskey drinker. It was actually not that strong on the whiskey. so that's not too bad. But overall, not a bad deal. I'm trying some new cheeses I have not tried before. So I'm looking forward to see what they come out with next year, because this little advent calendar is pretty fun. All right, that's it for today.
Say bye, Preston.
Bye, Preston.